What's good, family? It's your boy Harrison back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to jump rope without a jump rope. Yes, it sounds bizarre, sounds crazy. There's people out there who actually jump rope without a jump rope. So these are normally people who are looking to get into jump rope, who don't really know how to jump rope and they're interested in jump roping. Do these 3 exercises not only to burn calories but also to get you into jump roping. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into it. As we already know already, jump roping is a whole body workout. It literally works the whole body, burns tons of calories. It uses the fast twitch muscles, so it burns loads of calories. So guys, the first move I'm doing it for about 15 seconds. It is a 2-footed bounce. The reason you should do that is so you get used to jumping off the ground at about 1 to 3 inches max. Okay, literally you don't need to be jumping way too high, because when you jump way too high, that's when the rope starts hitting your ankles, you start flopping, start mucking about, you're not really doing anything. The second exercise I'm doing again for another 15 seconds is I'm doing a running on the spot. Okay, once again, this is not only to get you used to bouncing just 1 to 3 inches off the ground, but it's to get you used to switching up rhythms and just get your body into that bouncing effect and that bouncing rhythm. All right, very important just to switch it up sometimes, because you know there's going to be times when you're skipping and you're going to switch up the routine randomly and your body needs to know how to adjust. All right, the third exercise, this one's very important. Probably this one's the ultimate one for beginners right now. All right, the biggest one I can say right now for beginners is jumping up and down and hitting the side of my thighs. Very important. Whenever I hit the side of my thighs, the sound it makes replicates and imitates the jump rope hitting the ground whenever you're jumping. This exercise is very important because it gets you used to jumping over the jump rope consistently and in rhythm. Very important. Do that for another 15 seconds and then repeat all of that at least 3 times. All right, at least 3 times. So guys, that's the video done. So that was just a quick one, giving you guys 3 jump rope exercises to do without a jump rope. Don't forget guys, this is just for beginners, and also I wouldn't recommend you stay on this because jump roping without a jump rope is not as effective as jump roping with a jump rope. Okay, it's very important to transition over once you feel comfortable. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.